Welcome to your luck. The slippery cars under the rain cause serious impact to the vehicles on the road. To the speeding cars causing severe damage and posing danger to other drivers. Such incidents, with their abrupt and theatrical occurrences, underscore the paramount importance of maintaining traffic safety standards. Let's get it on. Please be careful on narrow roads. When the road is covered with snow, please slow down, everyone. How could he change lanes in such a dangerous way? How could he change lanes in such a dangerous way? Please be careful on snowy roads, everyone. What's wrong with him? Please pay attention, everyone. What a scary movie. Pray that the driver is all right. What a nightmare. Be careful on snowy roads, you guys. Don't drive too close to each other, everyone. What's happening back there? Be careful when changing lanes at intersections, everyone. Don't drive too fast, everyone. It's very easy to get into an accident. Don't overtake in such a reckless manner, please.
Час.
Don't change lanes like that driver did, everyone. No, don't brake check, dude.
Oh my God!
The brake system didn't work anyway. He did a good job.
Oh my God!
Yes!
How could he take that road?
Oh, fuck.
That's very dangerous.
Oh shit, someone's gonna get shot.
That's cops, I think.
Oh,
Yes!
No, man, what are you doing?
oh my god!
You would have seen the big red tram. Don't try to beat it, mate.
Oh my!
Oh, please pay attention to the road. What was wrong with him? Pray that both of them are all right. Attempt not to run a red light, dude. Patience and patience.
Fuck, dude!
When approaching an intersection, please slow down, everyone.
Fuck, dude!
Don't drive in the opposite lane like that, please. Let's hope the driver is okay. If the speed is chosen incorrectly, adding gas provokes the front axle drifting out of turn. Be careful during heavy rain, everyone. It's very easy to slip. Looks like someone's mind was somewhere else. Stay alert, man.